In this series of videos, we're going to be working with conversions within our most common measurement systems. The two most common measurement systems that are used when calculating medical dosages are the metric and the household system. There is an older system, the apothecary system, that is still used in a few places, but really is being phased out and is primarily being replaced with the metric system. So what you'll need to have as we go through these videos is you'll need to have your conversion sheet, which you can download from the website, and you'll also need to have your list of problems for us to look at that will illustrate converting within a measurement system. So let's take that first problem we have. It says convert 6.5 milligrams to micrograms. So we're supposed to convert 6.5 milligrams to its equivalent weight measured with micrograms. Now, milligrams, micrograms, hopefully as you work with these problems, you'll begin to recognize those are units of measure in the metric system. The metric system is a measurement system that's been around for many, many years. It's been used in most of the rest of the world other than the United States. We haven't quite adopted the metric system the way the rest of the world did. But if you'll notice, micrograms and milligrams are a measurement of weight. And you'll notice the equivalence that you have there. It says 1 milligram is the same weight as 1,000 micrograms. So if you have a milligram, that's the same amount of stuff as if you have 1,000 micrograms of that stuff. So we can use this equivalence to convert 6.5 milligrams to its equivalent in micrograms. And the way we do that, again, is using our technique of dimensional analysis. We're going to put in a conversion fraction that will cancel the milligram units and leave us micrograms as our unit of measure. So to cancel milligrams, we would have to have milligrams in the denominator. You always cancel from numerator to denominator. And to end up with micrograms, we would have micrograms in the numerator. And so that helps me know how to put the numbers in of this equivalence. 1,000 goes with micrograms when 1 is with milligram. So the milligram units of measure, the milligram dimensions now cancel, leaving me micrograms. And now my arithmetic is simply 6.5 times 1,000. And remember, when you multiply by a number like 1,000, all we do is move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So 6,500 micrograms is measuring the same amount of weight as 6.5 milligrams. So there's our first example of a conversion within the metric system. Let's look at problem 2. Problem 2 is also a conversion within the metric system. This is a conversion dealing with liquid volume. It says convert 1,350 milliliters to liters. So we have 1,350 milliliters, and we want to convert that to its equivalent amount measured using liters. So we look on our conversion, our equivalence chart. Milliliters, liters are measurements of liquid volume in the metric system, and the equivalence is that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So I can use this equivalence to create my conversion fraction that will eliminate milliliters and leave me liters. So to eliminate milliliters, milliliters will have to be in the denominator of my conversion fraction. And to end up with liters, liters will have to be in the numerator of my conversion fraction. What you want to end up with has to appear in the numerator of one of your conversion fractions. Here we just need one conversion fraction because there's a direct relationship between milliliters and liters defined by this equivalence. So here the milliliters will cancel. And now where do the numbers go? Well, when you have liters and milliliters, 1 goes with liter and 1,000 goes with milliliter. So the arithmetic that I need to do is I need to take 1,350 and divide it by 1,000. Well, remember, when you're dividing by a number like 1,000, you move the decimal point to the left. And I move it 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So if this is a whole number, the decimal point is there, so it moves 1, 2, 3 to the left. So 1 35 liters is measuring the same amount of liquid as 1,350 milliliters would be measuring. So here are two examples of converting within the metric system.